Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to see 6th standard social science. 6th standard social science. Okay, you know that we are living on the earth. We are going to study the geography part. In 5th lesson, we are going to study the 5th lesson and geography part. Okay, now you see that you know that the earth is the only the plant. First, we are living in the plant. There are 8 plants in the world. How many plants is there? Total 8 plant is there. Okay. Then after that, one of the third person is that third plant is that Earth. तीसरी वाला है planet. अपन तीसरी वाला में रहते हैं. मतलब if other parts of our plants are not is ready to, that is not proper and ready for our living purpose, because if we need to live means there are how many what are the things we needed, especially we need land, then after water, then air. These 3 things we needed. Some planets not have water, some planets not have air. No, air also is there, air, but something is oxygen and carbon dioxide. Like that type of air we cannot get carbon dioxide and oxygen also. Okay. Now what we are doing now you know that the earth is the only planet where the conditions are suitable for the extents of life. I told you that we want to the planet where conditions are suitable for the extents of life. We want to live properly means we need a suitable conditions. We need a suitable condition. This is mainly due to the presence of the world. Water and air on the earth. No, what I told, on the earth, water and air on the earth. In this chapter, you will learn a little more about these essential things. You will learn about these 3 essential things which have made life possible on our planet. No, what's our planet का नाम क्या है? Earth. What is our planet's name? It is called Earth. Okay. Then after that Earth, then the Earth can be divided into 3 zones. This Earth can be divided into 3 zones or spheres, zones or spheres. These are known as the lithosphere. Lithosphere means land. Lithosphere means jameen, land. Then hydrosphere. Hydrosphere is mean by water. Hydrosphere means by water. And atmosphere means air. 3 things we saw that. What is that? Lithosphere means land. Hydrosphere means water, and atmosphere means air. Okay. First we will study about what are things we are going to study about our planet. What is our planet? It is the earth. What is that? Earth. Only earth, you know that the earth is only planet where the suitable for the extents of life. It is a very continuous, what is that? Very good and considers we can live very properly or suitably in the earth only. So in earth, what are things we needed? What are things? First we need earth and that water and air. But in the scientifically they gave the names That names means lithosphere. Lithosphere means about land. Hydrosphere means water. Hydrosphere means water. And atmosphere means air. Atmosphere means air. Okay, this paragraph you understood, I think so. Next we will go to lithosphere. First we will go to study lithosphere. You know, in earth, this planet, it is rotating sun as well as ये खुद की घूमती है और सन को भी घुमा के आती है. That is one earth one day it is rounding means only one time it is rounding means it is called 24 hours. ये earth सूरज को घुमा के आते तो उसको नाम है, that is name that is called year. मतलब first understand, earth खुद के घुमा के आते तो that is day and night, it is coming 24 hours. Within 24 hours ये खुद की घुमाती है, that is it will rotate itself. Then again it will rotate. That sun is called that year. That year 365.5 days. 365.5 days पूरा सूरज को ऐसा घुमा के आते तो third planet of the world, दुनिया में तीसरी वाला है अपना earth का very powerful. What is the sun is the earth main power thing. Then moon is the supporting planet for us. No, then night time it will we will show that moons up and down, these things. But we will study about now अपना circumstance. No, we are our circumstance के बारे में पढ़ रहे हैं. This is, we are going to study first lithosphere. What is that? Lithosphere. Lithosphere means what? It is that land. Okay, the uppermost solid layer of the earth. See the see that downside of the picture. This mountain, this plateau, this atmosphere is upside. Hydrosphere, this water they gave this is there. That जमीन जगह में mountain है, then plateau is there, then plain is there. Mountain is there, plateau is there, then plain is there. This lithosphere, this dark part fully. What is that? This dark part fully lithosphere. This dark part fully is lithosphere. Okay, the uppermost solid layer on the earth, formed of rocks and soil. कैसे बनाए हैं? पत्थर से और मिट्टी से बनाए, पत्थर और मिट्टी से मिलाकर बनाए. Is known as the lithosphere. The uppermost solid layer of the earth, formed of rocks and soil, is known as the lithosphere. Its top layer is called the crust. The top layer is called the crust. Its upper part है ना, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? crust बोलते हैं. Out of the total area of lithosphere, about how many percentage? About 71% covered by water. अपना earth how many percentage? 71% is covered by water. The remaining 29% is above all surface of the water is form of land masses. Okay, how many percentage is there for water? 71% water है. ये दुनिया में 71% वाटर का जगह है और रिमेनिंग 29% है पूरा जमीन है. ओके, और वर्ल्ड 3 more content means what? Very in the earth ज़्यादा का है पानी है, 71% पानी, 29% जमीन है. Okay, see the vast area of water surrounding the land masses, the vast area of water surrounding the land masses on the earth are called oceans. What is my ocean? The vast area of water surrounding the land masses on the earth are called ocean. You see, sea means थोड़ा एक ही पास में मतलब वाटर ज़्यादा है, फिर भी इतना ज़्यादा तो नहीं है, पास में कंट्री के पास में सी बोलते हैं छोटा छोटे वाले को. बट ओशन यानी ओशन मीन्स लैंड, vast area of water and surrounding the land masses, surrounding so many places. There are next we are going to see land masses. What are the land masses? First, ocean means what is my ocean? Vast area of water surrounding the land masses on the earth are called oceans. Okay. Since all the oceans are interconnected, the level of water remain the same everywhere. This interconnected of the water is same everywhere. It is interconnected, everywhere interconnected. Now you will see that part. This level of water is called sea level. The height of the depth of any point of the lithosphere. The level of water is called the sea level. The level of water is called the sea level. The height or the depth of the any point of the lithosphere is measured with reference of this level. For example, Mr. Everest, which is the highest point of the lithosphere. This is 8,848 meters above the sea level. On other hand, the deepest point of lithosphere is found in Mariana Trench in the Pacific Ocean. 8,840 is that is the Himalayan mountain, up very highest mountain in the world, Himalayan mountain. No, that is 8,848. This upside. Then last side, the downside means deepest means deep niche means this Mariana Trench in the Pacific Ocean. Ocean पानी में नीचे मतलब ऊपर 8,848 ऊंचे. It is 11034 meters below sea level. 11034 meter below sea level. How much? ऊपर 8,000, upside 8,848 meters. That is lithosphere places. This after this Pacific Ocean. This Pacific Ocean. Called this Pacific Ocean is deeper from that. What? Mariana Trenched Pacific Ocean. That is the Mariana place. Pacific Ocean में Mariana जगह है. वो that is the 11,034 meters below sea level. That is for plus sea level. Okay, first we saw that where we are living planet. This planet is called Earth. We are living के लिए surface के लिए अच्छा है. मत क्या चाहिए? ये air चाहिए और water पानी चाहिए और क्या चाहिए? Then Earth जगह चाहिए. ये 3 things. But in the planet 70 how many percentage? 79% of water is there. 21% of जमीन है. जमीन में माउंटेन है, प्लांट है, प्लेन है. 3 तरीका है जमीन में. अपन ये फोटो में देखा था, मतलब देखो माउंटेन है, प्लांट है, प्लेन है. और लिथोस्फीयर में और हाइड्रोस्फीयर में माउंटेन में कौन सी बड़ा है? माउंटेन में हिमालयन माउंटेन. दैट इज दैट. व्हाट इज दैट? Lithosphere highest place 8,848. Then after that Pacific Ocean in 11,034 meter from the sea level deepest places, that is Mariana Trench in the Pacific. This much you understand, I think so. Then next you see the continents. I told this ocean means it is covered, it is interconnected with water and land. It is interconnected with the water and land. How you means you see this, find out this waters, you see the water level, this full of waters, this ocean, this Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Southern Ocean. This, see that places, see the map, North America, South America, Asia, Europe, Africa, Australia. Like you will see that places of what these places of the continents, the name of the continent and the oceans, name of the continent in the worldwise we are seeing this. Now you see continent, the large continuous masses of land, the large continuous masses of land above the sea level is called continent. The continuous masses of the land, because India, China, you see the map, India, China, Russia, sorry, not Russia, yes, China, then other countries, the Europe, you see the Europe continent, there are group of countries is called continent. The group of country is called continent. South America में अंदर भी ज़्यादा countries है, North America में भी है, कनाडा ऐसा आएगा, यूरोप में इंग्लैंड, यानी ऑस्ट्रेलिया में भी ज़्यादा कंट्री है, अटलांटिक, Arctic place also we can see that what places, you see the large continuous masses of land above the sea level are called continents. There are 7 major continents. These are Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Australia and Antarctica. What are the things? Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Australia and Antarctica. Now you look out the map of that. I saw that. Now you look at the map, you can see that North America, South America, Europe, Africa, Asia, Australia. Australia, this Antarctica, this 7 continent is there. 7 continent. You see that continents, Asia, area was 44.36 million square kilometer. The earth में कितना percentage है? 29.6, which is the highest. Asia is the highest continent in the world. Next is the Africa. How many? 30.32. Second largest continent in the world, Africa, 20.2%. North America, 24.25 million square kilometer, 16.2 total level of that area is the third. South America, 17.80 million square kilometer, 11.8. Earth total land mass 11.8. Europe 10.50 million square kilometer, then 7.0 total area of the mass. Then Australia 8.51, 5.7. Then Antarctica they go 14.21, 9.5. This Antarctica is largest place of these things, but Antarctica में ज़्यादा लोग नहीं रह सकते हैं, मतलब full of ice. This full of covered with ices. Very less people only they are living. You in 5th standard you are studied, I think so, that the ice desert, that cold desert part. This Antarctica will come, the cold deserts and these lessons. Okay, now we are going to see. Then after that, you see in the north hemisphere there are, this hemisphere is called that land hemisphere. Asia, this is the largest continent in the world, a little less than one third of the earth. Total land area lies in a continent. The vast land mass lies in the eastern hemisphere and most of this in the northern hemisphere as well. Together in the continent of Europe, it is formed, it's what is known as the Eurasia. Asia is separated from the Europe by the Ural mountain and Caspian Sea and Black Sea. It is bounded by the ocean in the three side in the Arctic. See, Asia is the very biggest continent in the world. It is lies. What are the things? The total land of area less than this continent. More area. It is covered more areas. Land mass area. This vast land masses lies in the eastern hemisphere and most it is the northern hemisphere. Eastern hemisphere say northern hemisphere. What is that? The northern hemisphere, this east side and north side. Okay, in the northern hemisphere as well, together with the continent of Europe, continent and Europe, pass में Europe. Then after that, in that north hemisphere as well as together in the continent of Europe, it is forms what is known as Eurasia, Asia, Eurasia. It is formed, it is that Eurasia, Europe word, that is Eurasia. Then after that, it is Asia is separated from the Europe by the Ural mountain. Ural mountain is separated in the Ural mountain. It is separated in the Caspian Sea, in the Black Sea, Caspian Sea and Black Sea. It is bounded by the ocean of the three sides. It is bounded by the oceans of the three sides in the Arctic. In the Arctic. Next we are going to see. The ocean. The ocean in the north, the Indian Ocean in the south. What are the ocean is there in Asia? Ocean in the earth. What are the oceans? Indian Ocean in the south and the Pacific on the east. Pacific Ocean on the east. Asia is the two most populous countries in the world, China and India. Two most populous countries in the world, Asia and China and India. China and India. What are the ocean is there? South of the Pacific Ocean and Indian Ocean. Pacific Ocean are the two Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean also is there near that Asia. Our India is situated in which continent? Asia continent. Which continent? In Asia continent. Okay. Up to this much we saw that lessons. What are the points we saw that? One time you recall that. Our land, which is the highest place to down place. Down deep places. What is mean by what is mean by hydrosphere? Lithosphere, hydrosphere. These things we want to know. Then after that, one more time you remember that what lithosphere, atmosphere and hydrosphere. Lithosphere and atmosphere and hydrosphere. Okay. You find out, you want to read one more time, then I think so you will understand very easily through this video. Okay. Next, you want to remember yourself what is meant by lithosphere, what is meant by hydrosphere, what is meant by atmosphere, what is the highest place, what is deepest place. Okay. Then after that, where we are living, how many percentage of land masses we have in the world wise 29%. How many water level, how many covered water is there in 71%. What are the names that we are calling these things? How many continents in the world? There are 7 continents in the world. Highest place 8,848. Then deepest place is that Mariana Trench. Trench of the Pacific Ocean 11.034. Which is the highest ocean? Means Pacific Ocean is the longest ocean. Big, very big ocean. Jada bada hai. Okay. Next we are saying that 7 continents in the world: Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Australia and Antarctica. This continent we saw that. Then how they are dividing the countries and number wise. Asia is the biggest continent in the world. What are the what we saw that? You see that map, you can understand this. What are the Pacific Ocean? This side also is there. This side also is there. India is that Pacific also is there. Pacific Ocean and Indian Ocean. यूरोप को और अपन को क्या है बीच में क्या है, और अफ्रीका को अपन को क्या है बीच में क्या है, वो अपन पढ़ाई किए थे ना. This is the largest continent in the world. A little less of the 1/3. See that very big. You see that brown color here is very big color. Very big size of the area. Near what are the continents? The Europe is there, Africa is there. Then this side Australia is there. You see that the total area of the land area lies in the continent. This vast land mass lies in the eastern hemisphere, most of the northern hemisphere. together the continent of the Europe. It forms often known as the Eurasia, Asia, is separate from Europe by the Ural mountain. In the Caspian Sea, in between Ural mountain, you see that brown and yellow. Ural mountain and Caspian Sea. 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 In Caspian Sea, in the Black and the Black Sea. It is dividing. Which one is the Ural mountain, Caspian Sea and Black Sea? It is bounded by the ocean of three sides. Oceans of three sides. The Arctic Ocean, this which ocean? This Arctic Ocean to the north. Which ocean is the north? Arctic Ocean is the north, and the Indian Ocean is the south. Arctic Ocean is the north, Indian Ocean is the south, and the Pacific Ocean is the east. Pacific Ocean is the east side. The Asia is two most populous countries is there. Now what's that? China and India. Next video we will see about Africa and the next parts of the ways. Okay, dear students, next we will study about these things. Okay, thank you.